Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to install tempered glass on edge or curved screens without getting bubbles. So let's get started. First, clean your phone screen with the wet wipe. It usually comes in the package with the screen protector. Clean it well and make sure there is no dust or dirt left. Then use the dry wipe to remove any moisture. Make sure the screen is completely dry and clean. Once it is clean, it is ready for the tempered glass installation. Next, take the tempered glass you want to install and remove the protective film. Make sure not to touch the sticky side because it can leave fingerprints. Now check the cutouts. Make sure the camera and sensor holes match your phone. On my model the camera is at the top, and you can see the cutout on the protector too. I try to show it on the camera, but I hope you will see it clearly when installing yours. Now hold the glass carefully and align the top where the camera is, but do not place it on the phone yet. Then align the bottom with your phone. Also pay attention to the side edges. Because the screen is curved, the glass must sit evenly or it can come off later. Once everything is aligned, place the glass gently in the center of the screen so it attaches evenly on all sides. For curved screens, wait a few seconds. Then press slowly in the middle and let the adhesive spread out by itself. If small bubbles appear, use a soft card, your fingers, or even the wipe to push them toward the edges. After the glass is fully attached, check the corners to make sure they are sealed. Make sure all edges fit properly. Then test your touch screen to see if everything works. In my case it works perfectly. The circle in the middle of the tempered glass is for the fingerprint sensor so it can read your finger correctly and stay responsive. And that is it. Your curved screen tempered glass is now installed bubble-free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.